Are you telling us a story? Rio, what do you have? Rio, drop it. Rio, drop it now. Drop it now. Rio, where did you get that, huh? Where did you get the turtle? Where did you get the turtle? The turtle is not yours. No. No. Bad girl. That turtle is not yours. That is Luca's bathtub toy, not Rio's. Bad girl. That is not Rio's. Mm-mm. You are such a bad dog. Rio, come here. Yes, you're bad. And your breath stinks. Nuka. Did Rio have your turtle? Did Rio have your turtle? Say, let's go get a bath.